kule self-doubt sithetha ngayo, pushing past our fears and limiting our beliefs. We believe a lot of times that we don't have any value to add to anything. We believe that we don't have any value. But I'm here to tell you that you've got value. The reason why I'm saying that you've got value, lena ibhotile yamanzi. Awakho mosibona manzi. Ora nithi ibhotile yamanzi le. It was meant to keep amanzi. Noba amanzi aseliwe kuyo, kodwa yona iseyibhotile yamanzi. Noba ugalele iboros, uzawuthi kumkhandi phathele la bhotile yamanzi, ndigalele kuyo iboros. The value does not change. Uthixo uhlawule ityala elingumangaliso. Ityala alihlawulileyo, we can never put a price on it, but uhlawulele thina, and so your value does not decrease. Your value does not decrease. You are most valuable in the eyes of the Lord. Whenever you think that there is nothing that you can bring forward to the people of God, there's a lot that you can bring forward to the people of God. You need to trust yourself. You also need to believe in yourself. So, according to what we heard, like a president, if you didn't believe in yourself also. If you did not trust God is with you in this journey, and so whenever we do things in the house of the Lord, we need to trust ourselves. And it let us be egocentrical, or let us be pompous about the gifts that God gives us. But he must but the tip in anything before you become big-headed is that just know, isn't this we are only vessels. And so you will never be a vessel of God if you don't allow yourself. We all have a purpose. You might not know it. Sometimes the most silent people are the most valuable in the movement, or in the organization, or in the fellowship. What even the ministry of presence is powerful. That is ministry of presence. Because without them saying anything, because those are prayer warriors. Day in and day out, it is because they are praying for us and they are praying with us. And so never take for granted the gift that God has bestowed on you. Never take for granted but find yourself up. So you break those barriers of self-doubt. You break those barriers of limited belief. You break those barriers of even pushing past your fears. The fear of speaking, you need to move past that, because we need to move past that. That I like this song. It is not a song, it is a hymn. So sometimes it's a song and it's a hymn. We hymn to Walaba. Because it speaks to the person. I focus needs. I like that. I like that. And you give yourself over to God for Him to make you better. And so we are going to break those barriers, and we're going to pray after the same. May we be better.